Why Switzerland is so rich? Have you ever wondered how a small country with no oil, no major natural resources, and mostly mountains became one of the richest places in the world? Switzerland seems to have everything. High incomes, strong businesses, a powerful currency, and an excellent quality of life. But how did it get there? The answer is not luck. It's a story of smart choices, stability, innovation, and a focus on quality. Today, we'll explore the key reasons why Switzerland is so rich, a country with few natural advantages. Many wealthy countries became rich because of natural resources. Saudi Arabia has oil. Australia has minerals. Russia has vast energy reserves. Switzerland had very few of these advantages. Much of the country is covered by mountains, making farming and expansion difficult. For centuries, life was not easy, resources were limited, and many communities were isolated. Instead of relying on natural resources, Switzerland invested in its people. The country developed a culture that valued skill, hard work, education, and innovation. These values became the foundation of its success. The power of stability. One of Switzerland's biggest strengths is stability. While many European countries experienced wars and political upheaval, Switzerland remained largely stable. The country adopted a policy of neutrality and stayed out of major international conflicts. As a result, its cities, businesses, and infrastructure avoided much of the destruction seen elsewhere. This created confidence. Businesses felt safe investing. People trusted the future. Investors from around the world saw Switzerland as a secure place for their money. Over time, stability became one of the country's greatest economic advantages. The rise of Swiss banking. Switzerland is famous for its banks. Their success was built on trust and reliability. Because the country was stable and well managed, people from around the world chose Swiss banks to protect and manage their wealth. Over the years, Switzerland became one of the world's leading financial centers. Cities like Zurich and Geneva grew into major hubs for global finance. Banking helped create jobs, attract investment, and strengthen the economy. Although Switzerland's wealth comes from many industries today, banking played an important role in its rise. The obsession with quality. Switzerland knew it could not compete by producing huge amounts of cheap products. Instead, it focused on making the best products possible. Swiss watches became famous for precision and craftsmanship. The same approach spread to other industries. Swiss companies excelled in engineering, pharmaceuticals, medical technology, and advanced manufacturing. Rather than competing on low prices, they competed on quality. This strategy helped Switzerland build a strong reputation around the world. Today, many respected global brands come from Switzerland. Education, as an economic engine, education is another key reason for Switzerland's success. The country places strong importance on practical skills. Many students combine education with hands-on training through vocational programs. They gain experience in fields such as engineering, healthcare, finance, technology, and manufacturing. This creates a highly skilled workforce. Businesses benefit from talented employees. Workers gain valuable skills and good career opportunities. The result is a productive and competitive economy. Innovation and research. Switzerland is one of the world's most innovative countries. Research and development are major priorities. Universities, laboratories, and businesses work together to create new ideas and technologies. Swiss scientists develop advanced medicines. Engineers design cutting-edge products. Entrepreneurs launch innovative companies. By constantly improving and adapting, Switzerland stays competitive in a changing world. Innovation helps keep its economy strong. The culture of trust. Perhaps the most important reason behind Switzerland's wealth is trust. People trust institutions. Businesses trust contracts. Investors trust the legal system. Consumers trust Swiss products. This trust reduces risk and makes business easier. It encourages investment and supports long-term growth. Over many generations, trust became one of Switzerland's greatest strengths. Conclusion. So, why is Switzerland so rich? Not because of oil, not because of gold, and not because of luck. Switzerland became wealthy by investing in people, maintaining stability, encouraging innovation, supporting education, building trust, and focusing on quality. Its story shows that a country does not need vast natural resources to succeed. Sometimes the most valuable resource is the talent and dedication of its people. And that's the real secret behind Switzerland's wealth. Outro: if you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more documentaries about countries, economies, history, and the forces shaping our world. Next episode: how Singapore went from third world to first world.